Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. We can see that with the AUD and NZD news coming up later today, both of these instruments currently showing significant trading opportunity. So we'll be looking at first of all AUD USD and then we'll be looking at NZD USD starting with the higher time frame, looking at the monthly chart to see overall picture in the market. In the market, we can see that AUDUSD, if you look at this monthly price action, we can see that there was a monthly bearish candle followed by this month. So far, the price from this monthly opening has dropped significantly. Currently, the price is going up for another retest, and we could see that as the market started to reject from this support level, we could see a break of this monthly high before dropping down or even going back up to create a new higher high. If we look at the weekly chart to see overall picture, we can see that from the weekly after back to back 3 weeks of bullish move, this week AUD USD as expected has dropped to this weekly support level, and from this weekly support we can see that the market now slowly bouncing back to the upside. If we look at closely, we can see that there is a long wick at the top from the weekly, and we are expecting AUD USD to go ahead and fill that long week from the weekly perspective. Now looking at the daily chart, we can see that from the daily as well, AUD USD has got quite a few days of strong bullish move followed by a pullback. Now today we saw that after breaking the daily low, the market again bouncing back to the upside and expecting for AUD USD to drop down to grab liquidity and then to bounce back up to the resistance level. Now if we look at the intraday time frame to see how the price is evolving, we can see that there is a long week candle is being created, still 1.5 hours remaining for this candle to close. If the price managed to grab a significant liquidity here, what I think that with the news coming up, we might see a bit stronger volatility on AUD USD, and that might take this price to the resistance level again. So if we see that AUD USD has given enough confirmation for a stronger bullish momentum, as you are already running a trade on AUD USD, you might be need to manage the trade or closing with the running profit or manage the trade. If we see a very strong bullish momentum, even we could see potential bullish trading opportunity on AUD USD. Now let's look at the NZD USD. In addition to AUD USD, we can see that NZD USD also forming a liquidity candle. Previous session we saw a doji with liquidity grab. Now this session what we see that NZD USD has grabbed the liquidity again from this support level, breaking this doji's low on the intraday, forming another bullish candle. Now if we look at the a bigger picture from the weekly, we can see that NZD USD previous week has formed a bullish candle followed by this week the price has tested this neckline of this previous resistance here, turning support, and as it's getting a rejection means that we could see that NZD USD also bouncing back to the upside to create a new higher high. Now looking at the daily chart, we can see that NZD USD from the daily time frame, there was a huge bullish momentum followed by a pullback. If we take our Fibonacci from starting of this move to the end of the move, we can see that NZD USD is getting a very strong rejection from 38.2% Fibonacci level, which is the minimum Fibonacci level. So with that being said, looking at the intraday time frame, we can see the market is forming potential bullish market structure. We'll be waiting for an entry opportunity upon candle close. If we see that NZDUSD has given a suitable entry for this potential move to the upside, we will be looking for going long with a high probability trade setup. If you enjoyed this analysis, guys and girls, give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet for more free content like that. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.